let me demonstrate how to make hot espresso with KUKU Maker. Weigh out 25 grams of coffee beans. Can directly use the espresso grind size. Here I use a matching powder cup. Its caliber is the same as our powder basket. Of course, you can also use other containers to hold the powder. Pour the powder into the powder basket. Here I weigh about 80 milliliters of cold water, so now the powder-water ratio is about 1:3. You can also use pre-boiled hot water directly, which will make the heating process faster. Pour the water into the water tank. Put the powder basket into the extraction chamber. Before the formal demonstration, I will first show you the action steps of the powder basket using manual operation. After starting, the basket will automatically rotate and sink to lock and then continue to make intermittent rotational shaking. Through several inertial movements, the coffee powder can get looser and then the basket starts to rotate at high speed to quickly complete the distribution. During working, you need to cover the lid for safe. You can select the recipe stored in the machine through the knob. The recipe list is sent from the app. Here I choose Hot Espresso. The right screen shows the powder and water usage recorded in the recipe as a reference for production. Double-click the button or press Start in the app to start making coffee. The temperature setting of the recipe is 96 degrees, and when the temperature sensor in the water tank detects that the water temperature has not reached it, heating will start. Of course, you can also pour hot water directly to skip the heating process. After the heating is completed, the powder basket automatically starts working. It first shakes, then rotates to distribute the powder. Then, under the control of the water valve, water will be gradually drawn into the extraction chamber for high-speed centrifugal circulation extraction. The water first drawn into the extraction chamber will flow out first after circulation extraction, and the water entering later will flow out later, that is, in a AFO manner. After the production is completed, the powder basket will automatically unlock, and then you can easily take it out. Since there are no complex pipelines or water pumps in the machine, the cleaning operation is very simple. When cleaning the extraction chamber, just pour in clean water directly, and the water will be discharged directly. If you need to clean the water tank, you can pour clean water into the water tank, turn on the water outlet valve to drain the water directly. The metal drip tray is magnetic and can be directly removed. Pour out the waste liquid and rinse it